So guys, we are go Bad Fountain and then come back.
When I was younger, so when we used to be younger, when I was younger.
Bad Fountain, hotel and spa. Look how the other day, Fountain go viral because of them and them, but they out of the front. Gonna get my wash off and leave in here now.
We are confident that if you live your life, especially
Okay, we have a family channel called The Right.
You're on live now, or what?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Well, why do you think more graves are over here?
Over in it. Granbury.
Oh, come here, say, oh.
Yeah.
Where the rest of the grave them there?
Yeah,
Over on the other side.
Yeah, man.
Come there and look and say more graves supposed to be over here.
Grandmother burial and stuff.
Yeah. Only more graves up on that side there.
Yeah, man.
It's a new plot, you know?
This just a develop.
Under construction.
Yeah.
I'm not developing too much, you know?
I know, right? Yeah. Too much of them. So you know, so when me forward this, almost half of the people that we are forward, a funeral them a forward, brother?
Yeah.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
A funeral them a forward for.
Need more beer, man.
Me take a dragon this time.
Dragon. Give me a hot beer.
Me I got people.
We're going to live now, man. It's the final, you know?
Eh?
The final list. I live where I'm going to live now.
Yes,
Final
man.
burying this, yeah?
No more for now.
This was your boat. Come in, Chan.
I'm not reach weed base then yet from
I don't worry about that, man. You know your name, yeah? I don't remember your name.
Like when I have trees for days, man.
Yeah. That is it.
For real. Yes, sir. I hope no more rain fall. If more rain fall, water come back right this again.
I don't have to just pray. That's what I want. Just pray and that's what you want. If you want sun, you just pray for sun.
Yeah, you know that. Yeah.
Fresh, man.
Yeah, you know. Yeah.
It's green tonight.
Ah.
What?
Yeah, you know.
You ever produce this, Blue?
No, I don't produce.
Uncle there, you go.
Don't produce.
Oh, but that now the smell.
No, we're link with the producer then.
Oh, but that now the smell.
I hear style of way, man. Yeah, we them what, $2 a bag. And then is a countryside. You don't have to trouble with them. Just put it back over your side of the bag. You don't have to find
Where's that? And a film grade is that?
Oh, you don't have to find a bag. This is country, bush.
Bushweed. Yo, but why that now have no smell though?
Eh?
Why that have no smell?
Oh, this one?
That weed there?
It's fresh.
Oh.
If you go learn to plant weed like Fabian. Fabian like that's in Oregon.
Well, I'm planting it now, brother.
Maybe I wish part him plant it.
You don't have none in a camera. I talk about the good one and you don't come with any.
No, I'm not for carry.
You're only finding fall.
No, I'm not for carry none. When I come in general, just come and say chemist.
Well, if we have some weed, man.
I saw no should have come and say chemist, see some weed there. Because I know that bush. You know, that to the Oregon, you know, when Oregon die and that bush, they come and source of food in my plant.
No, we don't
Where's that man? You might mix it up.
Alright, you see with me chemist? We can't plant weed, because I have to go.
Okay.
So we can't plant weed.
And we need care. And we need care.
Yeah.
Plant crop where
3 months, 6 months.
we can still come back.
Can't deal with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why me have a very nice. Me plant weed on the house down there in the blues.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's some without tree there. That's it. Then
We come like baby, you know, man.
think up the scheme in a youth. Ah, cause then time them my weed them how me grow them, you know. You see like me grate a carrot.
Yeah. You give some
apple and then something like you see. Yeah. And them me use and put on it, you know.
weed plant.
Yeah, man. With rat bat. Shit fertilizer.
Guys, good morning. Getting ready to go to Bad Fountain, and look, rain is falling again. Well, today is the funeral. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rochelle.
And I am Xavier. So we're definitely wait today we go to Bad Fountain. Why the camera move so like you know what I see me?
I don't know.
Like is that on face track or something?
You know that we did the pan face track, but you don't have pan face track now. I'm gonna fix it. Yes. So guys, we are go Bad Fountain, and then come back, come straighten up, pack up a bag and stuff them, and then it's the time for the funeral. And then I'm gonna look for one of my uncle because I'm there from Friday night. I'll know me not see him. My brother said I pass him on the road Friday night. Friday night? Yes, Friday night. But I never really see him. I tell me said that I did pass the car. But for a long time I didn't see the car, I not even remember. But anyway, with the pound we are going now. The road not all that bad. Right down here, so we don't know how you go up in time.
Nothing bad about this road. We're alright, that's all. But then something dump up in the road or just pass. I don't know.
But we don't know how until we go up further if it's gonna be bad.
So far so good.
So far so good, yes. Zaya, alright?
Oh sure, the show is quiet.
I'm eating biscuit.
I look on the hills and valleys.
Some place is so right. Oh, right, this is so wide. I never saw right so did stay.
Why you do?
Yes, right this never stay so. Right, in time, right, this is some of the house. That was my best friend, you know. One time we got Ginger Basic School and Bad School. Candy.
Candy. Yeah, rough. Kinda rough, man.
Remember if it take time. Because you're not used to them road driving here.
Yeah.
There's the Bad Fountain bus behind you.
Yeah, I see him.
When I was younger, so when we used to be younger, when I was younger, my father worked up at the hotel.
And in the nights after work, he used to catch crayfish up at the river.
Slow down this way. Yeah.
Everything is wow for Zion, you know. They need to cut off some of the bush them. Yeah, them hang over in the road and stuff like that.
Part of the road.
Narrow, It's a narrow man. Alright guys, we walk go up at the fountain here now. But they don't want to come up here earlier because see there a whole heap of people are come now. You have one car just come and people gone ahead of we. But they don't want to come up here earlier. The work out home, they don't want at all. Xavier, they're behind me with Zaya. Now, sir, I need to slow down because I know I'm soon tired. Already my knee them a hurt me. Ooh. Bath fountain, hotel, and spa is right there. So look how the other day fountain go viral because of them and them for the out of the front. Rundown people. The nice little place becomes a spectacle for debate, and then put the picture of the hotel like say what is happening is about the hotel when it's not. Going up by the bush and going to the hotel is two different things. I didn't like how they put the hotel picture on the article though. Whew. I'm tired already. I'm gonna reach nowhere yet. Really didn't like how them put the hotel picture on the article when it's not about them. Over the hotel they can bathe in water, you know. Them have it in the rooms. Like the actual fountain water. They have it running through the hotel. As I said, my father used to work over there when I was younger. And his wife recently retired from over there. Recently, like couple weeks ago, she retired. So, a place I'm familiar with. Oh God, I'm tired already. Well, I'm tired for a long time, but I reach far. No, sir, they need to put some railing or something right here, so. Me afraid of height bad, you know. You want to see me up on the banking. I'm afraid of height bad. I don't love it at all. I don't love right there, so. I need to put like a rail or something there, so. Alright, I can see up there now. I walk with the Xavians. Them there behind me, so them there. I don't know if you can see them. Here there. I didn't want to go up there one time. I just me and Xavier and Zaya. My brother say after time play a ball game in the morning and come up here and it's always empty. So that I didn't want. You have to be careful on them stone here. You have to be careful on these stones. Especially right there, so where the yeah, wish for the bank in Brockway. Coming down here, so. It had rain this morning, you know, so the place is slippery. I like water right there. So. Oh God. I'm tired, man. Eh? Take a picture of Zaya? They're packed already with people. Yeah, don't keep no matter what time. Eh? That they want first the water? Oh God. No matter the time. And just go. Yeah. Just don't get my wash off and leave in here now. Huh?
I make one video of the grill, man.
And we are confident that if you live your life, especially the relatives of my dear sister, live your life in accordance with God's requirement, you will have an opportunity to see her, not the way she died.
Sorry.
In terms of her illnesses, the Bible tells us, as the scripture teaches us, that her flesh will be younger, will be better than a youth. Right? So, there is reason for us not to be too sad. Of course, we know that you're sad because you lose a loved one. And as was mentioned in the Bible, using examples of faithful servants of God. Jacob, for example, when he thought that his son Joseph was dead, he cried profusely, not just so he could day or two, but for a long time he would never be comforted.
Yeah, man, me I try.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. I'm there, man.
Pardon me.